once a boy goes to his granny's house. When he reaches there, he realizes that he had forgotten his wristwatch at home. So, he looks around everywhere. At last, he asks his granny, "Where is the clock? I have searched everywhere. I didn't find it." So, the granny replies, "I don't need clock to know the time." Then the boy asks, "Granny, please tell me, what is the difference between a second and a minute?" Granny replies, "When you blink your eyes, it equals a second. And when I make a chapati or when you wash your hands, it equals a minute." Then boy said, "Granny, how do you get up in the morning without an alarm, and how do you know the time when you are working, whether it is evening or morning?" "Son, who said I don't get up without an alarm? The small chirp of birds is my morning alarm, and when I work, I look at shadows of the trees and know that whether it is evening and morning." Then boy said, "Granny, trees and birds can't tell you the directions. You need a compass for that. How do you know which direction is where?" There is an easy way to find these directions with the help of the sun. I know that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When we wake up in the morning and stand facing the sun, facing the rising sun, the direction in which you see the sun is the east. Behind you is the west. On your left is the north. On your right is the south. And in the night time, you can always look up to the North Star or the Pole Star to know the directions, as it is always in the north. "Okay, Nani, then tell me, how do you get to know about the weekdays?" With a loving smile, Granny answered the question. When it is Monday, everybody is in hurry to go to the school or job, and they all are in spick and span uniform or dress. On Tuesday, vegetable vendor comes and gives me vegetables for the whole week. Every Wednesday, my garden gets cleaned. On Thursday, pupils wear different dresses and different shoes. On Friday, everybody looks tired and exhausted. Saturday is filled with kids' laughter, joy, and happiness. And then comes my most favorite day of the week, that is Sunday, when you come and meet me. But boy asked that how do you come to know about months and years? As usual, Granny is ready with her answer. She says, when a moon completes its cycle, a month is also completed. And how do I know the year? Well, when all the 6 seasons get over, like winter season comes in month of January and February. Spring season comes in March and April. Summer season comes in May and June. Rainy seasons comes in July and August. Autumn season comes in September and October. And the last Hemant season, and we also call it as pre-winter season, comes in November and December. So I know that year is also over. Wow, Granny, thank you so much for this knowledge. I'm happy that I forgot my watch at home. Whatever happens is for good.